We are in a camping area near to Bergen. It's 6 in the morning. Almost everybody is sleeping in their caravans. It's pretty cheap place in fact. If you put your tent here, it's almost 30 euro a tent with a car. And if you buy, it's called hytte in Norwegian, then you need to pay 500 to 800 depending on the size and facilities provided in the hytte. So you can choose between renting out a hytte like we have rented this one and we have parked our car here, or you can bring your caravan. Spectacular morning views. It's not very cold here, although in Oslo normally it's cold in the morning, but here it's great. Spectacular views, providing very positive energy.